Voters approved Issue 2 legalizing recreational marijuana in Ohio last month, and that initiative became law on December 7th. The General Assembly is working on differing bills altering that legislation, with the bill passed by the Senate hoping to accelerate the expungement process and providing $15 million to pay for court training and new systems. Those funds would come out of new tax money generated by legal marijuana sales. Regina Campbell with the Greater Cincinnati Legal Aid Society says such convictions can hurt someone's chances of landing a job or getting housing.
Even a minor misdemeanor ticket for drugs can be seen by a landlord as indicating that they don't want to rent to you. In a tight labor market where employers really have their pick of employees, if they want to find any reason for not hiring somebody, of course, a ticket for a controlled substance or an illegal substance can absolutely be a reason for them to deny someone employment.
Cincinnati police stopped ticketing citizens for marijuana possession last year, and city leaders explored expunging previous marijuana possession misdemeanors a few years ago. Hamilton County Clerk of Courts Pavan Parikh says that effort would have included approximately 13,500 tickets. Parikh says the system isn't set up for automatic expungements, and a big flood of such requests would create major complications, especially since the limit in the new law is 2.5 ounces of pot, while the criminal statute was created for up to 100 grams or more than 3.5 ounces.
From a systems perspective and looking at how we would process it, that creates problems for us. And so being able to split out those individual charges and how references to those charges appear in other cases and other charges would be very difficult, if not impossible.
Now, while the Senate passed its bill earlier this month, a measure strongly endorsed by Governor Mike DeWine, by the way, the House is taking its time with its proposal, which currently does not include any language regarding expungements. But House Democrats I've spoken with say this expungement is a major issue for them as they press forward with any changes. The two chambers appear far apart on some other issues, so it could be weeks or months before any changes to Issue 2 are finalized. Back to you guys.
You can always find our stories here on YouTube, but go ahead and click subscribe to get notifications and stay in the know.